In Kali Linux kasing almost all
The
the tools
sum
used
is-
are really important, but there's one tool that's truly essential, and it's not pre-installed by default in this operating system. When we need to perform certain types of searches, we need a search
Enjoy your
engine that usually offers us a higher level of privacy. And what browser is that? It's simply Tor browser. Today we're going to learn how to install Tor browser on our Kali Linux operating system, and you'll see it's very easy, pretty straightforward to install. Look, the first thing I'm going to do is open my Kali Linux. Remember, I have Kali Linux installed here on my Windows 10 operating system. If you don't know how to install
Kali Linux
Windows
on
10
the-
operating system without using any virtual machine, you can go to the description of this video. There's a link that will take you to the video where I show how to install it using WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux. Or you can also go to this card with the link right here. So you can watch this video. I'm going to go here, expand this, and head to the Kali terminal, which I have installed here. I installed many Kali applications. Here it is. I want to thank all the people who have become channel members and have supported me that way. Remember, in the description of this video, there's a link for you to register to become a member of this channel. Okay, I already have the Kali Linux console or terminal open. I'm going to open the operating system in its graphical interface. Then I'll type what they're about. ESM. Okay. Let's wait. Okay. Let's connect to the remote desktop. And we're going to wait for the connection to be made. Look, here, I already have the Kali Linux graphical interface. I can work on the operating system and do whatever I want, and notice that I'm within the same Windows operating system. So if you're interested in learning how to do these kinds of installations, I recommend checking out the video I've previously recommended to you. I'm going to open the terminal
Kali
here.
Linux terminal.
Alright, payanta. As you know, here in the terminal, we're simply going to do a few downloads. First, we're going to use the command sudo apt update reka su for a quick update. We'll say enter. Okay. Let's wait for that to update to finish. Whenever we wanted to install SomeSync on Linux, we always need to update first. Alright, now we're going to enter sudo apt install. We're going to start with the installation of Tor.
Tor. Browser. Gayong
Launcher. Enter. Okay, here we've already completed the installation. Now what we're going to do is start the browser. Let's set up the entire browser.
launcher.
Enter. We're going to wait for it to complete all these preliminary downloads. This download will only happen once. As you can see here, and here you can see how we have the Tor browser already installed on our Kali Linux system. Tiputonta. Nagwapamete si Paril, close pa the browser. And I apply the same Tor browser launcher command again. It won't download anymore. It will open automatically. That's how easily you install the Tor browser on the Kali Linux operating system.